Hey Sawan.
Hey, see you. We come to my house. How do you eat?
No, I have eat anything since morning. How do you eat?
No, I haven't eat yet. Okay, let's go to the market.
After then, pour the stover and pour in the fry in, oil as the black peppers and cook it until it tastes good. Then add the meat and fry until the meat is cooking. And sugar, flour, soup, salt, or fish, sand, then take cook vegetable. But only hot vegetable sauce and garlic and carrot to cook fry until keep sauce and then add all the remaining vegetables.
Yeah, finally, we did cook it. Free all of vegetable. Thank you for watching this video.